Pag sinabi nating justifying circumstance, it means it is an act of person are said to be in accordance with law, so that such person is deemed not to have transgressed the law or is free from criminal and civil liability. Ang ibig sabihin niyan, yung ginagawa o ginawa ng isang tao is naaayon or makatwiran sa ilalim po ng ating saligang batas. Ayon po sa Article 11 ng ating Revised Penal Code, ang justifying circumstance in self-defense, anyone who acts in defense of his person or rights provided the following circumstances concur. Tatlo po ito. Una, unlawful aggression. Pangalawa, reasonable necessities of the means employed to prevent or to repeal it. Pangatlo, lack of sufficient provocation on the part of the person defending himself.